Hello everybody and welcome to the Practical Classics Classic Car and Restoration Show 2026. Let's join Stevo from SLR.tv with a replay of a live broadcast from the Pride of Ownership display at the Practical Classics Restoration Show 2026.
Thanks for joining us, by the way. We are here live at the NEC in Birmingham. Hope you're enjoying the show. So we're just stopping off at the Mark 1 Escort. That is absolutely mint, as they say. So that's Joe Giuseppe Alessi's 1974 Mark 1 Ford Escort Mexico. Nice one. Thanks for joining us, by the way. We are here live at the NEC in Birmingham and just checking out the Pride of Ownership finalists. If you've just joined us, and Joe started his career as a mechanic the same year as he came off the production line. And this was purchased in 2012. The Mexico went a significant restoration and returned to the road in 2014.
Dropping soon on SLR.tv. Get subscribed.